Hi everyone. When a car changes lanes automatically, the cockpit screen usually shows an animation. The vehicle icon slides from one lane to another, with a label like changing lanes. That confirms the system's intention, but it leaves out the one thing the driver actually wants to know. Is there enough room in the target lane? This interface adds a translucent box in the adjacent lane. The box sits between the car ahead and the car behind, and its size matches the real opening available right now. So the driver sees two things at once: where the car is heading and how much space it has to get there. The lane change animation tells you what the system decided. The target box tells you what the system is working with. The gap in the target lane isn't changed. Traffic is moving. A car behind might speed up. A truck ahead might slow down. The opening keeps changing, and the target box changes with it. As the real gap shrinks, the box gets shorter. As it widens, the box shrinks. The driver doesn't need to check mirrors or estimated distances. The box is already translating physical space into screen space, updated frame by frame. When the gap gets too tight, and the system decides to cancel the lane change, without the box, that cancellation comes out of nowhere. The driver expected a merge, and suddenly the car stays in its lane. They don't know what changed. With the shrinking box, the driver has been watching the space close. They saw the box getting smaller over a few seconds. By the time the system cancels, the driver already understands the room wasn't there. The cancellation matches what they were already seeing on the screen. That changes how the moment feels. A lane change that gets cancelled without context reads as a system error. The same cancellation after watching the gap close reads as a reasonable call. The driver and the system reached the same conclusion, just the system acted on it at first. The target box adds one element to the screen, but that element carries the variable the driver cares about during every lane change: how much room is left. It makes the system decision process visible before the decision lands. I'm Paxton. I share automotive UX and intelligent cockpit design analysis here. If you have any thought or examples you want me to discuss, leave a comment. And if this topic interests you, welcome to subscribe.